It is really bright and fresh. That mint comes through really nicely, but very softly balanced. So it's minty like a mojito, but more savory. You get really nice layers of all those different herbal and spice notes from the chai and from the Genepy and from the muddled mint that just really comes together in a lovely, balanced way to make a really nice, fresh, summery drink. So let's go shopping. First, for our cocktail, we're going to use Ginraw Gin for our Ginito. It is from Barcelona. It is going to be really small batch crafted, low temperatures. You get nice botanicals to it, a little more savory note to it as well, kind of fresh lemon and citrus, a little coriander, a little like smoky pepperiness to it, but it's going to be sort of the perfect base for then all of like the spice and herbal elements in this cocktail. Next we have the Genepy. This is going to be an Italian herbal liqueur, and it is a traditional liqueur of the Alps region that has a lot of lovely sweetness and herbal elements that are going to be a great sort of addition to this cocktail. I'm going to show you how to build the Ginito. It's like a mojito, but with gin. Start with mint. You can kind of add to taste. Did about, 6-ish leaves. 1/4 ounce of your chai tea concentrate or chai simple syrup, and that goes in with the mint. Fresh and spicy. 3/4 ounce lime juice, and then muddle those things together. Oh my!
How long should the people muddle it for, Sharon?
I don't know. Till it's muddled. You don't want to like macerate your mint leaves, or you're gonna bring out like the bitterness, but you want to kind of get those oils blended. You give them a little mush, but don't kill them. 2 ounces gin, 1/4 ounce Genepy, ice. This is watered down, it's Jordan's fault. Shake. Always makes me think of have you seen the Great British Baking Show? Yeah. And they're like, bake! Cool. And that is how you make a Ginito.